Hey guys, welcome back. And for this video, I'm going to show you how to find and delete Safari downloads on iPhone. So first, what you want to do is open up Safari. So let's say we're here on the Apple website and let's try to save a picture. So I'm just going to save this, just hold it, then download linked file. And once that's done, we will go to Files app right here. And here, just click on the Browse at the top left corner. You will see the Downloads option right here. So if you click on that, as you can see, I have my downloaded picture earlier. And for some reason that yours is not there, just go back to Browse and go to On My iPhone right here. And eventually, if it's not in your iCloud drive, it will be on your On My iPhone folder. That's basically it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.